Hey kids, welcome back to our channel I Say Kids. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we will talk about groups of birds and animals. There is a name given to various groups of birds and animals. Today we are going to learn those group names, also called as collective nouns. Some names are unique, some are funny, and some are even weird. Which one do you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below.
Group of cats is louder.
A group of 3 or more cats can be called a clouder, though cats don't really like to form groups. A group of cats around a bowl look like a ball or clump or clutter. Clouder is derived from clutter only.
Whereas group of kittens is kindle.
The use of the word kindle to describe a family of kittens comes from the Middle English word kindle, meaning offspring.
Group of porcupines is prickle.
Porcupines are called prickle because of their sharp needle-like spikes. The porcupine, or quill pig in Latin, forages with spikes quickly flattened, but once challenged they rise to skewer mouth, nose or eyes of predators seeking to flatten.
Group of woodpeckers is descent.
Descent is an act of moving downwards, dropping or falling. A group of woodpeckers is called descent due to their tendency to work for the tops of trees downwards.
Group of ants is colony or an army.
They are called army ants due to their aggressive predatory groups looking for food, known as raids, in which many ants look for food at the same time in one place, attacking other animals like spiders, and insects. Fun facts about ants. Ants can carry 10 to 100 times their own weight depending upon the species. Ants have 2 stomachs, one for holding food for themselves and the second one to hold food to be shared with other ants. And some species of ants can even swim. Do you agree? Animals are such agreeable friends. They ask no questions and they pass on no criticisms.
Group of turkeys is gang or carrion.
Interesting name. Do you know that they can change colors? Pretty cool, huh?
Group of crows is murder.
What a weird name.
Group of giraffes is tower.
It's their long necks which help give them their group name. As they are so tall, they tower over bushes and other animals.
Herd is group of deer, cattle, elephants and sheep.
We are all listening to the term herd immunity these days in reference to coronavirus, right? Any guesses why it is called so? No, it does not have to deal with deer or cattle or elephants or sheep. It has a small story behind it. The term first appeared in a British public health journal in 1923 in reference to bacterial transmission in mice. This study looked at vaccines and how vaccinating some mice out of a group or a herd might begin to prevent bacterial transmission between them. Wow, that's a good piece of information, isn't it?
Group of lions is pride. It truly is the pride of the jungle, isn't it?
Lions are the only species of cats that form social groups. Lions were traditionally seen as regal and elevated, so their group is called a pride.
Group of peacocks, mustache or
Ostentation. Peacocks are highly social and territorial birds. They tend to be aggressive towards strangers or new peafowl entering their territory. They usually travel in groups of 8 to 20. At any one time, peacocks can show off 200 feathers on their tails. Isn't it a beautiful bird?
group of grasshoppers is loud.
Grasshoppers have ears on their bellies. They can leap 10 times their length into the air.
Group of owls is parliament. Flamingos is stand. Nightingales is watch. And parrots is company.
A group of owls is referred to as a parliament, as owls are considered wise. In Greek mythology, owls are also known to be a symbol of Athena, the goddess of wisdom and reason. The term parliament is a collective noun for owls, meaning a count noun that denotes a group of individuals. Did you know flamingos prefer to stand on one foot? That is why their collective name is stand. Parrots can give us company as some of them can repeat words that we say. Fun facts about birds. Flamingos can eat only when their head is upside down. The only known poisonous bird in the world is the hooded pitui of Papua New Guinea. The poison is found in its skin and feathers. What do birds teach us? Birds teach relationships are like birds. If you hold tightly, they die. If you hold loosely, they fly. But if you hold them with care, they remain with you forever.
Group of fish is school or shoal.
Some fish tend to swim in groups in order to protect themselves from their predators. The most common collective nouns for a group of fish in general are school and shoal. Both the words have evolved from the same common Dutch root "school", meaning a troop or crowd.
Group of penguins is colony.
Most birds have hollow, air-filled bones to help them stay light for flight. Penguins adapted with solid bones instead. This helps them swim because solid bones create buoyancy, the tendency to float. Can we can we say that through penguins are referred to as flightless birds, they actually evolved to fly underwater?
Group of crocodiles is bass. Group of sharks shiver. Frogs is army.
To bask is to lie in the sun exposed to its warmth and light. Crocodiles, being cold-blooded, love to bask in the sun to warm themselves. The basking in the sun is a social time for crocodiles with large numbers, always seen basking together. We think it could be suggestive of what happens to a person who stumble of of what happens to a person who stumbles across a group of sharks while swimming. That is why I think a group of sharks is called shiver. A group of frogs is called an army. Is it because of its color green? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Fun facts. An octopus has 3 hearts and the color of its blood is blue. Starfish have eyes on the end of their arms. A sea turtle can live for more than 100 years. Hope you had fun. Marine organisms do not care about international boundaries. They move where they will. This was said by Paul Snellgrove, an oceanographer. Oceanographer is a person that studies oceans. Check out these videos too. And do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.